Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about PNC Bank's mobile app for account management. Yes, PNC Bank absolutely has a mobile app for managing your accounts. It is called the PNC mobile app and is a free service available to all PNC online banking customers. The app is available for download on both Apple and Android devices. The PNC mobile app offers a comprehensive set of features that allows you to handle most of your banking needs right from your smartphone or tablet, anytime and anywhere. Some of the primary features include account management and transactions. Check balances and transactions. You can quickly view the current activity and balances for all your checking, savings, credit card, and loan accounts. Mobile deposit. This popular feature allows you to deposit checks simply by taking a picture with your phone's camera, eliminating the need to visit a branch or ATM. Transfers and payments. You can easily transfer funds between your eligible PNC accounts and even to external bank accounts. The app also supports bill payments, allowing you to add payees and schedule one-time or recurring payments. Send money with Zelle. The app integrates with Zelle, providing a fast and easy way to send and receive money with people you know and trust using just a mobile number or email address. Financial tools and security. Virtual wallet tools. If you have a virtual wallet account, the app provides exclusive tools like the Money Bar, which visually shows your available spending money, scheduled bills, and savings goals. It also highlights danger days, which are days your account is at risk of being overdrawn. Security controls. You can protect your account by setting up secure sign-on methods like fingerprint or face authentication. You can also easily lock or unlock your PNC debit or credit card if you misplace it using the PNC Easy Lock feature. Alerts. You can set up custom alerts to be notified of important account activity, such as a low balance, a direct deposit arriving, or large purchases. In summary, the PNC mobile app is a robust tool designed to provide a convenient and secure way to manage your personal and even small business finances on the go. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.